This video shows how a Gmail account holder can use a licensed copy of TSCFS to send an email with the AP Payment Advisory Slip as an attachment using Google Gmail OAuth 2.0 authentication protocol. The email recipient or vendor would have voluntarily provided the necessary information to the email sender to facilitate the transaction. Some Gmail account holders use a Pay Vendors function within TSCFS Account Payable module to process EFT payments for their vendors. Instead of using the postal services to send payment advisory slips, TSCFS sends these payment advisory slips to the recipient via email. This was done previously through a basic SMTP server before Google Gmail OAuth 2.0 authentication protocol became one of the norms. Using Google Developers Console, PBSI has created a project called Google OAuth Services, which contains an app known as TSCFS. The client ID and client secret issued to us during the setup process were incorporated in the programming code for TSCFS desktop modules. The client ID and client secret are used to get a token from Google Mail servers. The token is then used to access the email sender's Gmail account to get consent from the sender to send an email on their behalf. The following screenshots will further demonstrate the process and results from this endeavor. After the vendor payments have been processed and EFT transactions are uploaded to the financial institution, the next step is to send the payment advisory slips to the respective vendors. To do this, we go to the AP Electronic Funds Transfer option screen. Step 1. Select the Send Email with AP EFT Advisory Slips radio button. Step 2. Select the EFT Transaction Number Range radio button. Step 3. Click the Continue Command button to take you to the Send AP EFT Advisory Slip email screen, which shows a disclosure statement for Google API Services User Data Policy. Step 4. From this screen, you can enter the email sender's name and email account. Also, if necessary, you can select the email provider, server, and port from the associated frame. Click the Send Command button to send it with Google. For testing purposes, Google may show that Google hasn't verified this app. Step 7. If you choose to continue, you will be taken to the Google permission page where you will click the Read, Compose, Send, and permanently delete all of your emails from Gmail checkbox. Click to continue to agree to send and finalize the email sending process. We hope that this video helps to explain how TSCFS desktop application uses Google Gmail OAuth 2.0 authentication protocol to send an email for Google Gmail account holders. Thanks for watching.